So hello all, I'm Soumya Chaturvedi from Skyy Skill Academy, and with me today is Dipayan Dey. So we'll be asking some of the questions to him. So it will be actually a short testimony of him. He will talk about some real life experiences and how is his overall experience at Skyy Skill Academy. So hi Dipayan.
Hello, sir.
So can you please first introduce yourself to our viewers?
Yes, sir, sure. So my name is Dipayan Dey. I am from Kolkata, West Bengal. I have completed my engineering from Mangalore Institute of Technology and Engineering, and I am also a gold medalist of the college for securing the highest GPA.
Okay, continue please.
Yeah, that's all, sir.
Okay, alright. So what motivates you to join Skyy Skill Academy?
Yes, sir. So after my engineering, basically I was looking for a in automotive sector anything. So that time I got to know about Skyy Skill Academy. Like they will teach everything based on the automotive sector, then design sector and the hybrid electric vehicle sector. So I did a little bit of research and all. Then I got to know about everything in the Skyy Skill Academy. So I chose in the Skyy Skill Academy.
So how's your overall experience so far?
Yes, so overall experience was very good. Like here you will get all the basic knowledge of everything, like automotive sector, all the design softwares, everything will be teach properly and everything will be good.
So how's the instructors and trainers at Skyy Skill Academy?
Yes, sir. About instructors and trainers, they are like very well trained. They will teach you all the things from basic to advanced, and everything will be teaching everything. And also at last you will get based the project you will be on the real life applications. So yeah, it was very good experience.
So did you find the teaching method effective?
Yes, the teaching methods are very effective. It is like you will not only only learning, but you will also get an experience on how to do all the real life application things, all the proper things. And if you have any kind of doubt, you can easily ask anytime to any trainer. They will always be there to help you. Any kind of doubt if you have, you can easily ask them.
Okay. So according to you, the curriculum that you are having in hybrid electric vehicle. So do you think that curriculum meets the industry standards?
Yes, sir. Everything is like properly on the industry standards only. Here you will first for everything, like if you consider automotive sector or any design sector or any hybrid sector. Basically, first you will need to learn all the design things, how to develop everything. Then come the theory part and then the practical part of it. So everything will be taught one by one properly according to the industry standards.
So okay. Next is what all softwares have you learned?
Yeah, so basically from starting when I joined, firstly we learned the design softwares like CATIA, ANSYS, SolidWorks and Creo, Parametric, NX, everything you will be learn one by one. Then after that you will be doing the theory part, and at last you will do all the practical applications, everything.
Okay, so is there any moment where you find any 3D modeling of any part or maybe in assembly difficult, and how come you overcome that?
Yeah, that is for sure. You will face any difficulties when you learn the new software. So basically, you need to be comfortable to ask the trainers what problem you are facing and which thing you want to know properly. Then only your doubt will get solved. So basically, yeah, you need to be proper in everything and need to do properly practice every day. Yeah, then if you do all this means you will be surely it good.
Okay, perfect. So now you have got the placement. So
yes.
Just wanted to know what is your job role?
So basically I was got offer from Restaurant 3D. That is a position of design engineer. So basically I have to do a practice on Trematic software, which is basically a American software. Basically they are trying to introduce it in India. So yeah, I have to work on that.
Alright. So what is the role of placement team in securing your job?
Yeah, so placement team plays a major role in Skyy Skill Academy, will tell. Because in every week you have the classes of placement assistance, like where you will get to know about the interview process, then group discussion process, and how to talk in front of everyone, and all the basic things which you need to complete any interview process properly. So we will be trained everything.
Okay, perfect. So would you recommend Skyy Skill to anyone who just wants to upskill himself?
Yeah, sure. I will recommend Skyy Skill who are looking for a job in automotive sector or a hybrid sector or any design sector also. They can easily contact the Skyy Skill Academy, and here all the things are like industry standards. So you will enjoy in Skyy Skill Academy.
Okay, perfect. So All the best, Dipayan, for your future endeavors. So we're wishing you all the very best from the entire team of Skyy Skill Academy.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, basically I want to tell thank you every Skyy Skill Academy team, especially to Soumya sir and all the. So yeah, thank you everyone.
So thank you.